Yo, money is born. Look, 50, 60, 80.
Yeah, but you sell garbage. That's the great. I got the money. I'm about to sell like
Yo, what's up, niggas? This money out here? How it's coming? Oh, they go Duke. I'm on Duke. Yo, Duke, what's up?
I got the dog. Red Tops, Duke, Red Tops. What's up?
Nah. I wanna see Cam.
Here I go. That's what I'm talking about. What's up? What you want?
Cam, let me get 2 bottles till next week till I shake my check.
What are you? Man, I gave you 2 fucking bottles yesterday. Where my money from that?
Oh, come on, Cam.
Man, I ain't doing no. I can't do it, man. You breaking me out here.
Come on, Cam.
You breaking me. No.
Shit, they're hitting the backyard. Get him. They're hitting the backyard. Hit the gate. Hit the gate, nigga. Oh, nigga, gang. Oh, shit, they got Duke.
As far as days is a sunny one. Here the money comes. If it's a fiend I never seen, then they bound to catch a funny one. Here they kitty come, wanting me to run one. Since I think he's 5 I sold him a dumb. I know one day somehow I gotta stop at some point. But I'd rather clock than rob your ass at gunpoint. I run the streets like feet. On the concrete we roll deep. So don't sleep on my beats. You would think that's the only thing that stop me. But this clock is crazy cocky. Plus I'm dead already, Poppy. This is what niggas in the hood see. The way the bad and good be. Bad is getting paid so bad they would be. Here comes the news flash from LA. For cooking cops just walk away, so there's been rioting all day. The only thing that made my day a little better, I saw red and blue uniting forever. Chris and Bloods fighting together. Back on the block, it's the same damn strip, the same damn clip, the same damn shit. You really can't expect a lot when the kids juvenile and stay locked. And his pops is the block. My daddy was a street corner, a goner before I popped out my mama and saw. He was long gone for the border. So I grew up doing more dirt than dust. Hitting skirts, getting scuffed, just to knuckle motherfuckers up. Fuck around on a bad day. And here watch out to make these street niggas are coming through the alleyway. And when we come correct and it's done. It ain't where you're from, it's how hard your squad come. This nigga scared, nigga stop. He's a rookie cop who couldn't bust a glass rock. Fools with your stash spot, and everything will be alright. I guess unless I park and start platoon in the project. It's my honey's night, get my money right, or your funny face will be beating up my bitch. Fuck a funny fight. Who's to blame when you're slain for a name or a spot and go home to see pops? It's the fucking block. Cables or new clothes with labels. I came home to corners, did homework when able. I clocked it, re-rocked it, dipped it, then flipped it, re-upped it, and cut it, held and hold it, then sold it. I'm with it. Didn't hit the house till I was finished. When it comes to dough, niggas are in it to spin it. Save and protect, get a safe and a tech. Don't be brave, get a vest, it might save you your chest. And if cops ever come to wear me down, all I say is feet don't fail me now. My town didn't have a wreck, yep I was a little wreck. Didn't have a place to play, so like most kids, niggas went straight. A daddy never got to meet mine, so on Father's Day I take a rap.